Hi guys, videos here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Logitech K270 wireless keyboard. Now this is going to go with my new setup of a new desktop gaming computer. I'll get a little bit more into the detail about the actual computer itself in my next unboxing, which is going to be the actual computer itself. So now let's just get on to the Logitech keyboard. This should cost you around about £24 from Amazon UK, and it's, well, from what I've seen, it's a good keyboard. Obviously Logitech is a well recognised brand, and let's just hope that it lives up to its name in this product. Let's just get rid of the packaging and put it onto the desk here. Okay, so here is a Logitech. So let's open the box and see if there is a actual keyboard in there for starters. That would be quite good. Okay, we've got to do these tags. Now actually I do have my computer by my side right now, and I will be doing a lovely happy unboxing of the actual product. I waited literally a weekend to get this keyboard from Amazon. It was very quick and very happy, and let's go. Let's open. So here is the keyboard itself. I'll just touch one of the keys and it does feel quite nice, which is good. Let's just turn it around. So you do get a USB adapter in here, and what you do is you plug it into your computer, and that's what makes your keyboard wireless. So there's a keyboard. We'll take another look at that in a minute. And attached to it is actually the USB. Take that off. Okay, so here we have some manuals and stuff. You can all see that Logitech wireless keyboard manual. Not really interested in this stuff, are we? Okay, so next we have the USB. So I'll just take this out, and there we go. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Though you will be able to see this. So there's the actual USB adapter, and that's what makes your keyboard wireless. It's very clever actually. It's very tiny. It's literally about the size of maybe my thumbnail, one I can see. It looks quite nice. So anyway, there you go. There's what's in the box. You've just got this there and the box, and that's it. So, oops, did actually nearly drop the keyboard itself then, which may have been a little bit of a disaster for me, but there we go. So there's a keyboard. Initial impressions of the keyboard. It's nice. It's responsive. It's what a keyboard is meant to do. But I would say that probably the build quality isn't the best in the world. You can't expect this to be made of, I suppose, metal, because for £24 it's not what you're going to get. But from what I can hear and what I can feel, it does seem a good, decent keyboard, and I do like the Logitech logo up there. Gives your keyboard a sense of identity, I suppose. And there we go. Now, can I just point out that this does need, I believe it's AAA batteries. And you just pull this tag out, and then you can get into it, which I cannot at the moment, so just bear with me. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that, take my word for it, it's AAA batteries, and I will be back with you in another video for a review, an unboxing of the gaming PC. See you later, guys.